Listen, I want to talk with you about the 7 most important words. Now, these words, it's not about you, it's about them. Those 7 words. And this simple phrase captures the essence of what it takes to make a real difference in the lives of the people we serve. And when we make a big enough difference to others, the natural outcome is that people are attracted to us. They want to be part of what we're doing. They'll want to be customers. They'll want us to serve them. Now, there's 3 simple ideas to put into practice these 7 words that I want to share with you. First, help as many people as you can get what they want. When we help as many people get what they want, we end up getting what we want. And when you personally focus on helping others get what they want, often you find that your own goals and desires are met along the way. Second is go the extra mile. Now, there are fewer people in the second mile. There's a bunch of people in the first mile, but most people get tired out. Now, the best opportunities come to those who consistently go the extra mile. I challenge you to go the extra mile. Okay, third, do more than you're paid for. When you do more than you're paid for, you'll find in the long run, you'll earn more than you've worked for. It takes discipline to get yourself to do more than you're paid for. And in fact, discipline is getting yourself to do what you don't want to do, when you don't want to do it, to accomplish what you do want. Now, when you do more than you're paid for, this habit alone will help set you up for opportunities that you would not have any other way. It will attract people that you work with to want to work with you in your life, and will attract situations that will bless your life and enrich the lives of others around you. Now imagine being part of a team where everybody is going the extra mile and everybody's doing more than they're paid for. Doing more than you're paid for isn't about immediate rewards. It's about building a reputation. It's building a habit that over a lifetime will open doors to countless opportunities. When we give a little more, care a little deeper, smile a little brighter, we're not just doing our jobs, we're enriching lives, including your own. Now remember these 7 powerful words. It's not about you, it's about them. Now to make it about others, I challenge you to go the extra mile. I challenge you to do more than you're paid for. Look for ways to give more than what you're getting credit for. And help as many people get what they want. And you'll end up getting what you want.